Adding to her long list of accomplishments, Priyanka Chopra has now been appointed as the ambassador for a prestigious film festival that is held in Canada each year.
No one should ever be able to tell you that your dream is small. You can hold on to it and make your destiny whatever you want, and that's what the story tells you.
Priyanka Chopra Jonas has a long-term association with an international film festival where several of her films have been showcased. And now she has shared a post praising the curators of the film festival for creating a platform that celebrates cinema from around the world and creates an inclusive environment for artists who speak different languages and have varying stories to tell. PC, जो पिछले कई सालों से इस फेस्टिवल को अटेंड कर रही है and has even represented her film The Sky is Pink at the festival last year, has now been given this prestigious responsibility, recognizing her role as a global voice in cinema. अपने सोशल मीडिया पेजेस पे प्रियंका ने एक वीडियो शेयर किया है that traces her association with the film festival she will now be an ambassador for. As an actor and producer, Priyanka अपने films What's Your Rashi, Mary Kom, Pahuna and The Sky is Pink are some of the films Priyanka has acted in and produced that have been presented at the prestigious festival, and now with this new association, वो एक नए रूप में इस event के साथ जुड़ेंगी. The actor also shared a post which said, "Throughout my career, the festival has been a second home for me, with many of my films as both an actor and producer making their world debut at the festival. It has always been at the forefront of supporting and championing global content that showcases diversity and inclusion. Even more than that, one of the most exceptional parts of the festival are the fans of cinema, who congregate to celebrate the magic of the movies, and who have always embraced me with so much warmth and love. I am very proud to serve as an ambassador this year, and I look forward to continuing a relationship that I value tremendously." Priyanka may be in lockdown, but the actor-producer has now been on her toes, collaborating with various charitable organizations to create awareness, signing a multi-million-dollar deal with a streaming platform, and preparing for her upcoming international projects. As a part of new deal with the streaming platform, she will also be looking for stories and content in different languages to bring stories across cultures to a global platform. Congratulations to you, Priyanka. You make India, cinema, and women in the field of entertainment so proud as you shatter one glass ceiling after another. We can't wait to see you in this new role.